Ulat ke jela ha kajan mit si palai ulapan semai ki arngut ke mali kum ki menteri bathamai ha ka sarkar jela harngat ke jingsaki lang do menteri rangba ulampang bat ki menteri jong ka sarkar jela nalor ki wei ki te ki arngut ki menteri thamai ki bakanthop yo ba renik ton lindo thongkhar ubayo ban simti ha ka jaka jong ba samlen malngyang badai menteri ketanat PHC na ka parti HSPDP katba uwei pat dei ba dasakhyat lamari ubami ban bujri na jaka jong ba coming ombon menteri ketanat fisheries na ka parti NPP kumbolong menta ki parti ki badang up pan kiliang yak suki menteri ki dei saka PDF bat ka BJP
Sri Dasgat Mahalamari do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Meghalaya, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I, Sri Dasgat Mahalamari, do solemnly affirm that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Meghalaya, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as a minister.
Shri Niton Thongkhar, do solemnly affirm that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as minister for the state of Meghalaya, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
Representative jong Karibhoy district. Kumbalong kini kisnam balada Karibhoy district. Kalau ke district kumong benda ke aspirational district, kawai. But kabaaro kalong ke transit district ila bano. Dahanre kini ki asnam siteng himdon satya menteri lene cabinet mo. Bakam long nagal kawai galyang sa kawai galyang ke district bonsen kadang kami bandon uway lani arngul ni langut ki cabinet pet menteri galyang bakar. Dengan try mau kadi kajing start kajang ke bangamla ban komen bonjai tenre na kadai kata hipat ke ayu mo ke district kadang kam ya di cabinet seat kadai kata kadau ngatrai lane kadai kajing start ni ke bang nama komen bonjai alat kelenti ke bapli yang nam tak state nam kam nam tak district di bawah kajangi baat bat kam tame nam ta kipat bak pat plang ke jongi borok berana pot state te hakini ke por mo ke ding first day te ngaso ban pau ke ding kuble ke krawa yai honorable chief minister jongi iba la le ye ka ke bede ban le yai ma komingon yimbon ro iba di senior bede bladon bat ka jing sinshar mo ye ke state naduk kisnam ki berada pat ilang ro ibai rangba iba kloy ban perkhat ya ke jingi sim mentalem ban ngila ban long ban trai ban kata ban penbiang pendak ke state ngaso ban ag jiklek bukra ro ibat baro hi ko ke MDA government ke ngila dap asnam steng menta te kum ka pas ke jingi asnam steng long ke government ke baskem long ke government ke ba la bantai sistem haduk kata bat ngakermen scam ba lengba kini ke jingrung kemai ke jingiro arngut menta apa ga kabinet angit scam ba ke jing trai ke jing ta ke jing dai ke jongi kenang scam susu ngenang la ban ya skmat ngenang la ban penurlong susu ya kino ke jing dongkam ibak state ke jing dongkam te hakani ke pon ngamsno bon ke gen ringa sipan pa ko jing kuble krawa ya borok ki member jong MDA government ki ba la dan rangkat hakani ke asnam steng kapal deb ban ya shikman hakati trikam
ke kita bom tek bandon kam bon le ya Karibhoy district
ala ni kran yang kata ki bonjat mau ki bonjat ki jing dan kam hapo Karibhoy khamtam Karibhoy district ke jongi kedai ka aspirational district mo nado kini kisnam ki bladam ki kam ki bonba ki bangi ha panle kiba ngamla banjer kerteng ro hangni nomor kibun di kumbalong menta keditang kata hingga ban ya syakmat hingga ban persangkat balak kamtam mobat kani ka pandemic situation kepadaan menta nakawai sakawai kalem bon ki kam gim hamle tinagalem jongar ukum mangala asmai mane uwai naki bonut ki kabinet di nagalem jongar ko bo kubuka kepadaan na persangkat balak ya keribo district ke jongi bat ya ka state hero marak ko dan kono ko jingi penbaik lupa do mensuaro dai hagiwai ki party mo ngamla ban komen ai dai habede bat ni apa ke NPP na do bersedang do kamdan kono jingi penbaik lupa dan dai ka jingi osngo ka kebor ham saya ka bangi osngo harum haneng kabun mo dai dan ki badai dan ki bomdai dai ya ka ne ka jing bujli pat ya ka cabinet di hapa ke parti jongi ke NPP ku mau CM ro honorable chief minister jongi honorable deputy chief minister jongi ro ka pensai manakane ba kam sem dan setia kanu ke jing penbaik do mensa ban reshuffle ndrei mo ya kelati te nila yo ikan ke jing bujli te kadai de ke jing so jimode bat nga bat ima komeng bat isap deputy CM bat CM ro barok kadai de ke jing so jimode ba niyo ya kan ni kecing bujli dia kadai kata
Namle ke babahatam ban pendep yang ke badangsa hakaba i 4 ban pendep apa leng bajong press and media sura ke kubor bangan nom i pensateng ya ke basu ko ke pendep ini sudah dengan berdin ha jai ya kita bakil pendep hakapor gitu dan bun ke sabar hasil ke distrik ke badang lung Idang bun ki office ki bompat function tinggal yang ya budin pemdai komunistar komunalir oleh budin kapor bani kuat bani i bagi office serta bani bandon ke distrik di bandon ke function kata kalau persiam berkawai bangar jubudin bah ke dispagan kesurok ini ke highway hak bagi kini ba kadulong ban yo patreno nang ne na mau ngap syadu sya lengba mau keruat syara ni kor tai ke bangar ya budin na ke pos kupon ni skam ba kita ni ane ini ke wei ke ba lada chief minister ai ngakalat pengen ni portfolio ba bat sama Joshua ngan budin ha kene ke jil poi hamal lagi training kene ke JJM ba kedai ka big task government bagi pendep ban poi ya korum ya pipe kawai tu koi ka training jo kino pendok kita kali ka mission jo kali government jo sarkar India ka sarkar Meghalaya ka bagi no
a decision and an agreement that was decided when we had formed the government. So during that period there was a lot of discussion because we had to build up a coalition with 6 parties. So therefore it was difficult to accommodate a lot of people and we were trying to figure out how to move forward. It was then that discussions took place and there was a general understanding, especially when it came to the HSPDP between Mr. Samlin and Mr. Renik, and there was an understanding between Mr. Dasaket and Mr. Cumming. So it was a basic understanding which I was privy to and it happened at my level. Therefore we stuck to our decision and based on the commitment that was given by all the concerned parties, we took the step to induct them into the cabinet. So all the discussions and all the agreements and all the conditions that were laid was decided right in the beginning. So therefore, whatever that was done, we stuck to that, and that is the result of what is happening today. Yes, the 2 of them will be simply replacing the other members who have exited, but there has been a reshuffle in the portfolios among the other cabinet members. The list of that will be out shortly.
what about the
Yeah, as I said, there are 2 questions here. There will be a reshuffle in the portfolios. I've already mentioned that. The list has already gone to the governor and he has approved it. As I said, the notification should be coming out any time. Number 2, regarding the other political parties, there was no discussion in the beginning at my level. The only 2 discussions that took place at my level in the beginning in 2018 when we formed the government was with HSPDP, between Mr. Samplin and Mr. Reddy, and between Mr. Dasaket and Mr. Cumming. In the beginning, when we had initially had a discussion when Mr. Cumming had come into the party, yes, we had a discussion that if there is a situation where we are in the position to form the government, he would definitely be in the cabinet. But when the numbers came out, we were not able to get sufficient numbers to be able to accommodate, as I mentioned in the beginning. Therefore, at that point in time, a lot of intense discussions took place, and that's when we reached to this agreement.